Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change Control Center on iPhone in iOS 17. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Settings. Scroll down to Control Center. Open it. Here you can see all the settings. You can add or remove with a single tap. If you want to remove, tap on the minus icon. Now if you want to add one, tap on the plus icon. Now if you want to rearrange the control center, touch and hold the three lines next to the control and drag it to a new position. So this is how you can manage your control panel on your iPhone. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.